Hello everyone. Good evening. Once again, I invite you all for the today's session. As a part of learning under the program Capacity Building, we have been learning how to express one's opinion in English about a person, a thing, or a place. We are into the sixth session for today. This will be the end of our session. Today will be the end of our session with regard to communication and soft skills. Once again, I hope all of you are ready for the class. Right, let us start with our class. Is it okay? Shall we? Students? Okay. Thank you very much. Well, we are into session 3. Right, today we are going to learn with the help of letters that are written to an editor carrying their individual responses to the editorials or events or issues. The other day, that is yesterday, we have seen an article that is published about Nano, Tata's Ace Nano, right? Once again, in our session 3, that is today's session, we are going to look at responses to the article that is published in Hindu with regard to Nano, right? So that is letters to editor carrying individual responses to editorials or events or issues. And at the end of our session, once again, as usual, we'll have tasks to answer. All right. Before going in detail to our session, well, I have something for you to do with. Okay, look at the slide, students. Look at the slide. I just want you to look at the slide for a while. Just look at the slide. What do you understand from the slide? What am I trying to say? Any idea? Look at the first slide, students. Any idea about what I am going to talk about or what these slides are talking about? Can I have your answers? Wait for a while. There is a problem over here. I'm unable to see the chat box over here. Okay. Okay, somebody was talking about air pollution, cleanliness. Okay, benefits of corona. Okay, before and after pollution, increasing pollution. Very good. Thank you very much. Right. Just think about the first slide. It is right that you are giving apt answers. Look at the first slide. Right, there are 3 places that are being depicted in the first picture: Milan, Venice, and New Delhi. The pictures, right, look at those. These are the pictures taken before Corona, whereas these 3 are the pictures that are captured after Corona. Right, as you are talking with, this slide, the entire slide over here, it is talking about air pollution. Okay, so how was our environment? The other day, we know very well that it is an environmental day. And when we look at our environment, it is very keen, that our governments were unable to do a lot of things that, which we are able to see today. For many years, government have been trying to resolve, this problem of air pollution, water pollution, all right, noise pollution, whatnot. But to make it very clear, this pandemic, exclusively called Corona, that has helped the entire world in once again cleansing the entire environment and atmosphere, my dear students. How many of you agree to this statement? Well, hope all, right? Well, so look at the picture. The picture itself clearly specifies how clear it is after Corona. After Corona, in the sense, once we were affected with Corona, right, the entire world was under lockdown. Well, look at the second picture. I'm pointing out with this. Look at this picture. This is how it was earlier. Am I right? But now, once again, if we look at the third picture, that is India Gate. Earlier, it was of this. Don't think that is because of its mist. No, it is because of entirely air pollution. But today, look at the picture, how clear India Gate is. Well, next, coming to the fourth picture over here, right, which is marked with the year 2019 and 2020. This is with regard to air pollution, my dear students. This is a picture taken by satellite. In 2019, look at the pollution rate that is marked in color red. Whereas in 2020, that is right at the time of Corona, today the environment is off. So, okay. Well, let's move into the second slide. This is about air pollution, as you said. Well, next, look at this. What could be this about? Any idea? Right? Once again, this is about, okay, even the ozone layer is self-healing itself, sir. That's true, students. Well, look at, this is with Himalayas. Majority of you might have heard about, the recent news about Himalayas. There was a person who was happy to say that, he was able to see Himalayas after a period of 30 years from the place where he was. Earlier, when he was very young, right, he said, though Himalayas were away 100 to 150 kilometers away from my place, I was able to see Himalayas when I was too young. But in course of years, I was unable to see. The reason behind is air pollution. But today, at the time of Corona, he himself has given a wonderful statement that Corona has helped us once again to go back, in the sense, it has set the entire world. It has set the entire world out of pollution. It has been rejuvenating, my dear students. So look at, so there was a person who says, this was the view from our rooftop at the home, right, in Himalayas, that's in India. For the first time in almost 30 years, could clearly see the Himalayas due to India's lockdown, clearing air pollution, just amazing. Well, so, and the fourth picture over here, it talks about Himalayas being visible from Punjab also. Well, let's look at the third picture. This is, once again, with regard to, this is about, water pollution, water being cleansed. Well, this is our third slide. The first two slides, they talk about air pollution, and the third slide about water pollution. Look at that. Majority of us, we know about the pathetic state of Ganges, river Ganges, that is Ganga river. Government has taken enormous amount of precautionary measures, or government has, spent crores of rupees to cleanse the river Ganga. But without spending even a penny, without spending even 1 rupee, my dear students, because of Corona, the entire Ganges was been cleansed today. Well, look at, so before and after, right? India and the people of Varanasi, they were very much happy, right, for the state of Ganga that is at present, that is today. Well, once again, talking about water pollution, Yamuna, look at the picture on the top. Earlier, the pathetic state of Yamuna, a person was ready to bathe in that water, which is unclean. Whereas today, look at the picture that is over there. Look at the state of Yamuna today. Well, now there is a question for you, my dear students. What made this possible? What made this possible? And another question I have for you is, Corona, Is it a gift or a curse? Vasanta has answered Corona, saving a nature. So think it positive, my dear students. I just want you to, look at this, and I just want you to give your opinion about what it is. Okay, lockdown made it possible. Corona has some benefits. Okay, it's a gift. Corona is both a gift and curse, both. Okay, right. Let me have your specific answer from your dear students. If you feel that Corona is a gift, in what way is Corona a gift? Can you give me two possible answers? Right. If you feel that Corona is a curse, in what way is it a curse? Two possible answers. Once again, if you feel Corona is a gift to preserve our environment, to safeguard our environment, or, Corona is a gift in helping us, in helping the entire world to come out of pollution. Secondly, okay, Corona teaches to spend time with elders, very good. Reducing, it depends on us. It made nature clear, less pollution, very good, very good. Thank you very much for your responses, students. Thank you very much for your active participation. Well, as somebody was talking in the chat box, I can make it very clear that Corona has helped us to maintain, right, emotional quotient, to maintain spiritual quotient, to maintain IQ, both, right? The three intelligent quotient. As somebody was talking, we were able to spend a happy time with our family. Majority of you, the students, you are very much happy to spend along with both the parents at home, right? And siblings at home for after a great period, right? Gift to environment and curse to people. It's true, right? And once again, Corona has taught us, Corona has, in a way, Corona is a gift because it has taught us how to maintain, spiritual quotient once again, and how to be in friendly, or how to maintain a cordial relations with our family members once again. Well, thank you very much. This was just, to let you share your opinion about the environment that is existing at present. All right. Well, Corona gives us some extra time to work our goal. That's good. That's true. Corona is saving nature, and it is making everyone to taught the importance. That's fine. Curse because of economy depletion and postponed the dreams of young ones. Oh yeah, that's true. Right. Well, let's make a move into our session for today. Thank you once again for your active participation, students. Well, let's make a move. Right. Underline. Look at this. There are 5 sentences that I have given. I just want you to note this. Underline the words in the following that indicate that an opinion is being stated. You have been learning yesterday and day before yesterday how one can express your personal opinions, your general opinions, and opinions of others in language English, right? So, as a part of testing our learning, let us look at these 5 statements, students. There is nothing that you are supposed to do. You are just supposed to identify or underline the expression, right, that indicates an opinion. Hope you are able to understand. మీరు చూస్తున్న 5 sentences లో opinion ని express చేసే ఆ phrase ఏదైతే ఉందో దాన్ని underline చేయడానికి ప్రయత్నం చేయండి. I personally feel that infrastructure development and environmental conservation cannot go hand in hand. Right. You need to understand, you need to underline what is the opinion that is expressed over there. Next, according to news reports, there is an acute shortage of medical facilities even in major towns. Next, mobile technology is considered to be a boon by many farmers. I have a hunch that the financial conditions are going to improve over the next quarter. It is believed that the lifestyles will dramatically change in the next 15 years. Good. I am able to see good number of responses. That's really interesting. Okay, I personally feel that according to the news. Yeah, I have a lifestyle. I have a hunch according to the news. I personally feel it is believed that. Very wonderful. Very good. Very good. Good. It is believed that. Okay. Good. Okay, by many. Third one. According to farmers, lifestyle is going to change in next 5 years. I have a hunch. Very good. Thank you very much. Right. Coming to the first statement. I personally feel. It clearly says, right, it is subjective. I personally feel. Next, according to news reports. Look at, according to news reports. What kind of opinion is this under personal opinions, my dear students? What type of personal opinion is this? According to news reports, is it a personal opinion or is it a general opinion? Students, coming to the second, it is good that you have answered according to news reports. What is it? Is it a general opinion or is it a subjective opinion or a neutral opinion or a strong personal opinion? General, very good. It's a general opinion. Well, coming to the third, mobile technology is considered to be a boon by many farmers. What was the expression that indicates an opinion? Coming to the third, students, considered, okay, mobile technology is considered to be a boon by many farmers. By many is the experience, very good, is considered. General opinion. Once again, that's true. As somebody was talking, once again, it is a general opinion. Mobile technology is considered to be a boon by many farmers. So it is once again a general opinion being expressed. Next, look at the fourth statement. I have a hunch that the financial conditions are going, right, to improve. Look at what kind of opinion is this? We have personal opinions. There are three types of personal opinions, right? A personal opinion can be expressed in three ways. This is what we have learned in two of our classes. One is a strong opinion, a personal, that is strong. Secondly, neutral. And the third, subjective, right? Very good. Personal. I have a hunch that the financial condition are going to improve over the next quarters. Okay, it is right that it is personal, but my question is, what type of personal opinion is this? Students, it's good that you are able to understand. Okay, strong opinion, subjective. Very good. It is, somebody was talking, right? I have a hunch that the financial conditions are going to improve over the next quarters. Strong. How can you say that it is strong? It is his opinion. He says, I have. Look at the statement which starts with I have. If he is, students, remember, if he is confident about, or if he is affirmed about, if he is, confined about a particular statement, he says that I bet, right? Or I strongly agree. But look at the statement, it says, I have. Yes, as somebody was talking, it is once again subjective to personal. I have, it is my opinion. Right, coming to the fifth statements again. It is believed that the lifestyles will dramatically change in the next 15 years. What kind of opinion is fifth sentence? Neutral opinion. Okay. Neutral. General. Somebody was answering me general, strong opinion. How can you say that it is strong? He says, it is believed. You need to understand this. It is believed. All right, neutral. Somebody was answering me, it is neutral. You are right, it is neutral. But what exactly you mean by neutral, students? The answer is neutral. It is believed. He says he is neither subjective nor with a strong opinion, but he says it is, a neutral. Right. It is true that it is that a person is expressing his personal opinion, which is neutral. But what exactly you mean by neutral? Okay, Dheeraj is answering maybe or may not be. That's true, my dear students. Very good. Thank you very much. Hope you have understood, right? Any doubts with regard to personal opinion, students? There are three ways as you have been learning. Yes, a personal opinion can be expressed. A personal general opinion can be expressed in three ways. Am I right? I have a hunch. Hunch in the sense of feeling. Okay? Well, now let us move into another. Right. Now, I'll be giving you around 10 responses to the editorial, my dear students. The other day, that is yesterday, we have gone through editorial, right? We have gone through an editorial and I have given you a couple of questions under task 1, task 2 and task 3. Some of you have reported your answers, but majority of you have not. But remember that your answers will be taken into consideration, my dear students. Well, for today, right, basing on the article that you have learned yesterday, right, that was an article that was published in Hindu magazine, Hindu, right, newspaper. Well, now after going through that article, there are a good number of people who have responded to the editorial. Today, we are going to look at least 10 responses of different people, right? At the end of going through all these responses, you have a couple of questions to answer. First, look at this. Now, read these letters to the editor in response to the editorial you read above, in the sense which you have read yesterday, my dear students, right? There are around 10 editorials. I'll be right, presenting you these 10, one after the other, all right? Then another important thing I just want you to do is take a snapshot of each response, right? There are around 10. Let me show you, right? This is the second opinion. This is the third and fourth answers, replies to the editorial, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, and 10th. All right. Well, before going through the responses to the editorial, I just want you to note down the tasks. Can you please note down the task? Take a pen, take a book. Look, there are two things that you are supposed to do. Students, I just want you to concentrate over here, right? Are you able to get me? If you are following me, just type an alphabet F in your chart window. F. Okay, good. That's good. The reason behind is, yesterday and day after yesterday, there are a good number of people, who are not following us, and they were asking to present the slide once again at the end, right? So be attentive. Hope you are with me, right? Thank you very much. Come on, take your pen and take down task 1. As you are going through these 10 responses to the editorial, you are expected to answer this, right? Look at the first question. Identify the letters in support of and against the Tata Nano. Identify the letters in support of and against the Tata Nano. All right. Next, task 2. Monica, are you taking down? Come on. It's not a picture, right? It's not a movie just to sit and enjoy, right? Take a book. You're supposed to answer. This is a part of our learning, my dear students. Well, task 2. Write a letter to the editor, that's to a Hindu, expressing your opinion. Think of points not raised in the letters above. This is what you are supposed to do by the end of today's session, right? The very first question is, while going through the 10 responses to the editorial, you need to read each and every response, and then you are expected to identify the letters in support of and against the Tata Nano, right? The responses that you are going to read now. Next, write a letter to the editor. that is to the Hindu, right? Expressing your opinion. Think of points not raised in the letter above. This is what you need to think about, and you need to draft a letter. Okay. Shall I move further? Students. Okay, Monica, come on, make it fast. Task 2, Saraswati was asking what it is, right? Task 2, you are supposed to write a letter to the editor, expressing your opinion. As you are going through, responses to the editor, you are even expected to write a letter, okay, to the editor. Feel yourself as one of the participants, as one of the respondents, right, who have responded to the article that was published in Hindu. Jyoti Sai was asking what letter? What letter in the sense, okay, I have given you a question. Write a letter to the editor expressing your opinion, right, with regard to this article that you have gone through yesterday. Or, listen to me carefully. After going through these 10 responses today, go through 10 responses, and if you feel that there is something that has to be answered that was left, then you need to, right, go with. Write a letter to the editor expressing your opinion. Think of points, right, not raised in the letter above. Okay? Okay, Monica, done? Shall we go? All right, good. Rameshri, how about you? Finished? Talapudi Rameshri, have you finished writing? How about Shanti? Done? Good. Thank you very much. Well then, let's move further. Look, I want you to take a snapshot of these slides. Or take time, okay? Or I'll give you 2 minutes for each slide. Hope it is enough, I do think, right? Go through the first slide once, the first answer to the editorial, and you are supposed to answer whether it is against nano or whether it is for nano, okay? Yeah, take your time. Go through that. Okay then, well, let me ask one of your friends, okay, as I can see Monica once again, let me ask Monica to read this first slide, okay? Can you unmute your mic and read it out, read it loud for the sake of your friends? Come on, feel free, Monica. Are you ready? I just want you to read the slide. Okay? Yeah, please unmute. Unmute your mic. Yeah? Ah, that's good. Come on, read out.
Refers to the editorial Ratan Tata Sensor, the unveiling of Tata Nano marks a milestone in the history of Indian technology. It has put even global automobile gains on the back foot. What is most fascinating about the 1 lakh car is that it instills in us a sense of identification and pride while making a business sense of every aspect, all tasks of traffic to consumption, pollution, etc. It meaningless. Such as criticism can be made to start any industrial development. It will be interesting to see how the price war will be fought on a Indian roads as a result of Tata Nano. Completed, sir. Done, sir.
Okay.
Completed, sir.
Thank you very much. Let me ask one more student to do that, right? Let us ask Rasuri Jayalakshmi. Jayalakshmi. Jayalakshmi, are you there? Okay then. Let us ask Rameshri. Talapudi Rameshri. Or else, let me ask Vera Sai. Damarla Vera Sai. Yeah, Sai, unmute your, right? Unmute and just read this response to the editorial. The first response. Cheskochu. Munde option undi. Undi dinla. Ask to unmute anundi. Yeah. Come on, Vera Sai. Just unmute that and read it out. Are you ready? What Sai? Okay. Well, let's go for another. If not, if Sai is not over there. Okay. Samdani Sheikh. Can you unmute? Hello? Samdani Sheikh. You are given an option to unmute yourself. You can unmute. You are left. All right. We have Rameshri once again. Rameshri, can you just help us reading out this first response to the editorial? Unmute your mic. You can unmute. Okay. Well, then you are not at all. Are you not interested with this? Are there somebody students? Mastan Sheikh. No, I have given a chance for you to unmute yourself. That is possible.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Can you please
Yes, sir.
read out?
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can. I
Yes,
can.
sir.
What's your name?
This is Mastan Sheikh.
Oh yeah, Mastan. Can you please help us reading out? Well, let me roll the slide. Help us reading out this second slide. Response to the editorial.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Three cheers to Mr. Tata for delivering on his promise of providing a car for the common man. Anyone can build an extravagant car, manufacturing a low-cost car, and that too, the world's cheapest, is indeed a feat. Tata to be fuel has to trail the common man without any day pass. Control drain is also on the rise with that speeded four-wheelers. Okay, sir. Complete.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Mastan. You read very well. All right, students.
Thanks, sir.
Hope you understood the question, right? I do think that you have understood the question, right? Now, while going through each and every response, it is your responsibility to check out whether it is against Ratan Tata's Nano or whether it is for Ratan Tata's Nano. All right. Well, so what is your response to the first editorial? Students,
Yes, sir.
what is your response? Okay, just type it in chat box. Just mute yourself and then now answer.
Sir.
Come on, mute your mobiles and then answer it in chat box. Okay,
Yes,
let's
sir.
go to response 3. Okay, Santi, would you like to read for us? Right? Okay, then please unmute yours. No, unmute. You are not unmuted. You are not audible. Santi. Santi, you need to unmute your mobile. You need to unmute that. Yes, good.
Okay, na sir.
Yes, it's okay.
Thank you. Tata Nano will possess two complement two-wheeler manufacturers, particularly the segment in which the price is being as the same. The target market for two-wheeler and four-wheelers has become the same. The price war is bound to increase. One hopes the customer will benefit the most.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Right. Ali Baig. Ali.
Sir.
Ali?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, read out the fourth answer to the editorial, response to the editorial.
Mr. Tata deserves to be apologized for rolling out the world's cheapest car, but calling it the people's car, smack of discretion of the Aam Aadmi, who is nowhere near the idea of owning a car.
Very good. Mr. Tata deserves to be applauded for rolling out the world's cheapest car, but calling it the people's car smacks of derision for the Aam Aadmi, who is nowhere near the idea of owning a car. This is a response given by Syed Sultan Mohiddin from Kadapa. Thank you, Ali. Well, let us move to another, right? That's fifth response. Let us move to fifth response. Kumar Kallam. That is. Okay, Manohar Chakravarti. Can you please help us reading out fifth response?
Yes, sir.
Good. Yeah, come on.
For middle class families, it has been a dream to drive around in its own car. Tata Nano comes as a
Pleasant.
hello, sir.
Yes, yes, you are audible.
A pleasant surprise. I think the people have already started saving to buy the car.
Good. This is by Jay Arvindan from Coimbatore. He says, for middle class families,
Yes, sir.
it has been a dream to drive around in its own car. Tata Nano come as a pleasant surprise. I think the people have already started saving to buy the car. Well, is it against Tata Nano or is it for Tata Nano? Students. Chakravarti, any answer? This response, is this response, is it against Tata Nano or is it for?
No.
అర్థమవుతుందా?
Sir, వినపడట్లేదు.
కాదు నాన్న, ఇప్పుడు చదివినటువంటి ఫిఫ్త్ ఆన్సర్ అది టాటా నానోకి అగెనిస్ట్ గా మాట్లాడుతున్నాడా, టాటా నానోకి ఫర్ గా మాట్లాడుతున్నాడా?
సార్ అగెనిస్ట్ గా కాదు సార్, దాని గురించి మాట్లాడుతున్నాను.
ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్. నౌ మానస,
థ్యాంక్ యూ.
మానస, help us reading out answer. Six. Can you unmute? Yeah, good.
The editorial rightly points out that instead of denting the vehicle to the middle classes, the focus should be on improving the public transportation network and expanding the infrastructure. When it comes to safely, a four-wheeler is always a better option. I am sure the Nano's entry is going to change the way India travels.
Okay. Well, thank you very much. This is an opinion given by B.V. Soprasad, right, from Gunadala, right, from our own area, from Gunadala. He has responded to that. Now, my question is it against or is it for? Manasa, is this against Tata Nano or is it for Tata Nano? Okay, Harika, can you answer us, please? You have been going through that, right? Yeah, please unmute and answer that. Whether it is an response, whether is it against Tata Nano or is it for Tata Nano?
It is supportive to Tata Nano.
It is supporting Tata Nano. How can you say?
Yes, sir.
Can you justify?
Because it is a four-wheelers and it is possible to take.
Very good. Thank you very much. Come on, let's make a move further. Right.
Thank you, sir.
Look at the seventh response, students. The seventh response. Now Nilima. Nilima, are you able to understand? Are you able to hear me? Okay. Let us ask once again Harika. Harika, can you read it for us?
Yes, sir. I can read for you. No doubt the launch of the lowest priced car is a major contribution to the automobile industry in India and abroad. It is expected to help many from the middle class to live their dreams, but it cannot be denied that it will add to traffic congestion in more ways than one. It is highly unlikely that the government will swing into action just because a major section of society can afford a car now.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Harika. Well, let us ask some of this response whether it is for or against, is it supporting or not. All right, let us see. Nagasai Kumar, J. Nagasai Kumar. Okay, we have Vamsi Krishna. Vamsi Krishna. Devalla Vamsi Krishna. Are you able to hear me, Vamsi? Okay, we have Pavani. Pavani, I just want to answer. Pavani, are you online? Never Pavani. Yeah. Can you answer us, please? Whether is it in support or is it against Tata Nano?
Against.
Against. How can you say, please?
Sorry.
What statement made you to think that it is against?
Sir, show the slides, sir.
Sorry? Hey, somebody can you please unmute? Nana, chapo.
Sir, show me the slides, sir.
Yeah, that is over there.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
6.1 కనిపిస్తుంది సార్.
Enana, Indra?
5th and 6th points are only visible to us, sir. But the 7th point is not.
5th and 6th?
Yes, sir.
For
7th point is not
it is
visible
showing
to us.
only
Oh, sorry.
question
It was 7th.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Thank
Sir,
you.
choose answer చేయడానికి ప్రయత్నించండి.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Sir, it is against, sir.
It is against. How can you say that it is against? What is the statement that proves that it is against?
Sir, your voice is not audible.
Kadana, okay, you said that it is against, right?
Yes, sir.
What is the statement that helped you to understand that it is against?
Sir, voice is not audible.
Sorry?
Hello, sir.
Yes?
Sir, please unmute all the participants.
Oh yeah,
Sir, I am Versai.
that is what I am going to do. మనకు అవకాశం
Hello.
Yes.
Hello.
Okay. Ah. Okay, let's move further. Right. Look at, we have the eighth slide on our screen. 8. Please go through that and try to post your answer in the chat window. Please go through that, students. Okay, can I ask Manasa, Notakke Manasa? Manasa, can you unmute that and can you read? Okay. Well then, let me ask Sai Kirtana. Sai Kirtana, yes. Can you unmute that and can you, yes, that's good.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, read it.
The launch of Tata Nano has spread a few myths. It is an alternative to two-wheelers. It will cause less pollution. It is a people's car and it is safer than two-wheelers. The reality is two-wheelers are easier to handle. A two-wheelers user can reach the destination faster in the city. Parking and moving are easier. A two-wheelers burns only 100 or 200 cc of oxygen. But even a small car burns 625 cc of oxygen, and with traffic snarls, the gross emission will be much higher. More cars will make city traffic a nightmare, and a light car is never safe in a highway or high-speed accident.
Okay. What is your response to this? Is it in support to Nano or is it, is it against Nano?
It's against Nano.
Against Nano. But look at the
Yes, sir.
beginning. Does the beginning appear it is against Nano?
No, sir.
No, right? Well, thank you very much. Okay.
Yes.
Thank you. Okay. Sai Chintapalli. Is Sai online? Sai, you can unmute yourself. All right, let us ask Uma Devi. Uma Devi. Yes. Come on, unmute and read this ninth response. It's good that you are live in the class. Uma, are you ready? No? Okay, let us ask Keshav Rao. Keshav Rao. Keshav? Okay, if not, let me ask Sindhu. Yeah, just touch it, unmute. Unmute your mic. Sindhu, am I audible? All right. Let's move. If Sindhu is not online. Keshav? Okay, Sindhu. All right, read out the ninth. Ninth response by C.V. Venugopalan from Palakkad. Can you raise the volume? You are not audible. Sindhu, I think there is a disturbance in your mic. You are unable to, you are not audible. All right. Right, thank you. Chaitanya Vamsi. Can you sit and can you read? Chaitanya Vamsi. Come on. It's good that you're laughing. It's fine. Come on, read out the ninth response. Unmute your mic. Chaitanya. Sorry. Okay. Let us ask Pavan Kumar. Pavan Kumar. I know you are with us. Can you just unmute your mic and can you read this ninth response? Response given by C.V. Venugopalan. Pavan, are you with us? Okay, Ramya. Rameshri. Rameshri. Talapudi Rameshri. Can you just unmute? Okay. Read Nana. Read it out. No, you are not audible. Raise the volume. Yeah, that's good.
Tata Nano looks affordable, attractive, and extremely functional even on its own, not necessary as an alternative to the every popular two-wheeler.
Yeah.
Popular two
With petrol prices,
going over the roof. Spin a few of us own a two-wheeler and a car. Nano will definitely have a many businesses.
buyers,
Big
many
car,
buyers.
sorry sir,
Yeah.
many buyers, big car owners may
Opt.
may out may opt for it as a second car.
Good. Can you read once again, please? Now, yeah,
Tata Nano looks affordable, attractive, and extremely functional even on its own,
good.
not necessarily as an alternative to the every popular two-wheelers. With the petrol price going over the roof,
Roof.
spin
Quite, quite.
roof quite a few of us own two-wheelers and a car. Nano will definitely have many businesses.
Buyers.
Many yes, big car owners may opt for it as second car.
Okay. Ramya,
Sir,
is this answer, the response given by C.V. Venugopalan, right, a retired general, is it is it in support of Nano or is it against Nano? What is your answer? Tata Nano looks affordable, attractive, and extremely functional, even on its own, not necessarily as an alternative to the ever popular two-wheeler. With petrol prices going over the roof, quite a few of us own a two-wheeler and a car. Nano will definitely have many buyers. Big car owners may opt for it as a second car. Is it for Nano, or in the sense, is it in support of Nano or is it against Nano?
support sir and
Okay, what is the statement that you feel that it is support? అది సపోర్ట్ కరెక్టే. ఏ స్టేట్మెంట్ ని, ఏ సెంటెన్స్ ని బట్టి అది సపోర్టివ్ అనుకుంటున్నావు?
two-wheelers కన్నా ఎక్కువ I cannot explain sir, please.
కాదు, నేను ఒక సెంటెన్స్ చదవరా, దానిలో ఒక సెంటెన్స్ చదువు. నీకు ఇది ఫర్ అనేది అగెన్స్ట్ అనేదన్నా ఫర్ అనేదని నీకు అర్థమైంది అనడానికి ఒక సెంటెన్స్ చూపించు దానిలో. ఇప్పుడు చూడు, టాటా నానో లుక్స్ అఫోర్డబుల్, అట్రాక్టివ్ అండ్ ఎక్స్ట్రీమ్లీ ఫంక్షనల్ ఈవెన్ ఆన్ ఇట్స్ ఓన్ అని అన్నాడు. నాట్ నెసెసరీలీ యాజ్ అన్ ఆల్టర్నేటివ్ టు ద ఎవర్ పాపులర్ టూ వీలర్. నెక్స్ట్, with petrol prices going over the roof, quite a few of us own a two-wheeler and a car. ప్రతి స్టేట్మెంట్ చెప్తుంది. Nano will definitely have many buyers. Big car owners may opt for it as a second car అన్నాడు. ప్రతి స్టేట్మెంట్ కూడా అది ఫర్ అని చెప్తుంది కదా. Right. Thank you. Thank you, Ramya. Thank you very much for your response. Well, finally, we have another response. All right, another response given by Kumar Jain from Bangalore. All right, let us ask somebody. We have Nagasai Kumar. Sai, are you interested to read? J. Nagasai Kumar. Okay, Abhishek Rao. Abhishek Rao. Yeah, can you unmute and read it out? Abhishek. Will you? Well then, let us ask Shravani. Yeah, Shravani. Shravani has left. Okay, Naga Venkata Sai Sri. Naga Venkata Sai Sri. It's a good approach that you are listening, with the help of your TV. That's good. Naga Venkata Sai Sri. Would you like to respond? Okay. Sindhu, is it okay with your mic? అవతల అన్మ్యూట్ అవుతుంది అయితే వాళ్ళ వాయిస్ వినబట్ల లక్ష్మీ గణపతి it's good that you are on the screen but you're not interested to read. That's a pathetic state. I can see somebody with R7525P3. I don't know who she is. All right. Okay. No name. If not, I might have asked you. Very good. Shravani, once again, you're on the screen. That's good. Well, let us ask Hepzibah. Tadi Hepzibah. Yes, Hepzibah. Unmute that. Can you unmute, Hepsi? Okay. Unmute once again. It has gone to mute. No. Unmute that once. Yeah, that's good. Yes.
Good evening, sir.
Good
It
evening.
will be interested to see how Korean and Japanese car manufacturers meet the challenge posed by the world's cheapest car. The beneficiary of the automobile war that is expected to follow will be the consumer.
Good. Will be the consumer. I'm sorry, with spelling errors over there. Right?
Okay, sir.
It will be interested to see how Korean and Japanese car manufacturers meet the challenge posed by the world's cheapest car. The beneficiary of the automobile war that is expected to follow will be the consumer. All right. This was an answer by Kevin Kumar Jain from Bangalore. Well, now my question is it for nano or is it against nano?
Supporting, yes, sir.
Is it right? That is supporting nano.
Yes, sir.
Good. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Students, hope you have gone through this, right? What are your answers? I asked you to, take down the first question. I asked you to take down the first question, and in the course of our reading, I hope you have answered that. Now, I would like to see your answers in the chat box. And besides chat box, I want you to answer once again to respond to my number that I have given you yesterday. Okay, well, now we are at the end of our session. We are at the close of our session. As we are supposed to close our session, I'm going back once again to the first day session that we have, that we have learned, first day session that we have dealt with. There are a couple of expressions over there. I want you to copy at least, 3 expressions from each. Let me show you. Well, come on, let us make a move to this. Okay, look at this. There are 3 ways to give a personal opinion. This is something which we have already learned. Now, I want you to take a pen and paper and just to write down at least 3 from each, expressing a strong opinion. The phrases that are used to express a strong opinion, at least 3 phrases from strong opinion, 3 from neutral opinion, right? Or else get a snapshot of that. Okay, and I want you to answer on your own. In the sense, for example, I bet that, you need to continue the phrase. You need to continue and make it as a sentence. Okay, you need to continue that and you need to answer it in the form of a sentence, students. Next, I'm sure that. So you need to continue with this, right? You need to make it a sentence. Then expressing a neutral opinion. Going through that, I just want you to copy at least 3 phrases from that. And I need to see your answers by tomorrow. Okay. Rajesh, are you taking down? Kamarshi Rajesh. Rastunava. Pavan Kumar, come on, take down. I need 3 phrases that you need to take down at least, and you need to answer it completely in the form of a sentence. Okay? Well, next, this is the final part of your task. We are into expressing a subjective opinion. దీనిలో కూడా 3 phrases రాసుకోండి, any 3. And I want you to make these phrases as a sentence. In my experience, అని కంటిన్యూ చేస్తూ ఒక సెంటెన్స్ ఫామ్ లో రాయాలి. ఓకే, సెంటెన్స్ ఫామ్ లో రాయాల్సింది కూడా మీరు దేని గురించి రాస్తారు అంటే, యాజ్ వి హావ్ లెర్న్డ్ అబౌట్ కరోనాలో గిఫ్టా కర్సా అని నేను మిమ్మల్ని ఒక ప్రశ్న అడిగాను. ఇస్ ఇట్ ఎ గిఫ్ట్ ఆర్ కర్స్ అని, రైట్? ఇన్ మై ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ అనే దానికి కరోనా ఇస్ అ గిఫ్ట్ అంటావో, కరోనా ఇస్ అ కర్స్ అంటావో, యూ నీడ్ టు ఫిల్ ఇట్. ఆల్రైట్? ఓకే, జనరల్ ఒపీనియన్ లో కూడా ఒక 3 phrases రాయండి. సమ్ పీపుల్ సే దాట్, many or most people say that or think that, maybe. I want you to take at least 3 phrases and write it in the form of a sentence. Okay? That's it. Or, well, the final task. Look, we have opinions from somebody also. Shravani, are you able to take down? Right? At least 3. Okay? Copy any 3 questions and you need to answer to these 3 questions. Okay. Thank you very much, students. We'll end up our class over here. So as a part of our learning under the program capacity building, we have communication and soft skills for a period of 3 days. That is from 4th, 5th and 6th. So this is our final session that we have done with. If you have any doubts, if you have any queries, you have just 5 minutes of time, you can post it in the chat box. Then we'll conclude. Okay? No doubt? Okay. Right, students. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for your active participation. Thank you. Be safe. Stay at home. Right? Learn from your home. Thank you very much once again. Thank you all.